Okay. All right. Guys, I want to talk to you about spam and what's happening with Google. And this is really important because it's a big, big change. If you are sending emails, and most of you do, you are probably noticing that you are landing more and more. Your email rates might be dipping a little bit, and maybe you're seeing it gradually, but it's going to get worse. And what is happening is that Google has changed the algorithm. So you're no longer landing in the inbox, and you're no longer landing in promotions or spam. You're landing in nowhere. Your open rates might have dipped in the last week, and maybe you're thinking, oh, okay, people are out of town, but what's happening is Google's new AI inboxes are in full effect. It's created a wall, an invisible wall. And if your emails don't have trust signals, AI decides it's irrelevant and it will get rid of it before any human ever sees it. This started around January 9th, and you'll see email rates starting to dip. People did think it was a holiday hangover, but it's really not. It's the new algorithm. So what happened was they updated their Google quality guidelines, and that's about 176 pages of new rules that really they want you to have a 0.3% error rate, like less than 3%, and they want you to have more authority, expertise, experience, and trust signals within your emails. So if you are using too many robot words, which would be maybe around 200 different words, or if you are not injecting your specific experience, it's going to see that and it's going to flag you as AI written. It can easily identify that now. So you could try to memorize 176 pages of compliance rules. I did look through them. I looked through most of it, I'll be honest, but there were a lot. And it was really kind of interesting because this is very much needed. As you can imagine, trust and trust signals are becoming more and more core themes as we move into marketing 2026 and beyond in this age of AI. But I did create a cheat code because I like to write tools. So I have created a cheat code. I built it on the Google guidance. I used Gemini because I love Gemini, and who better to help me with this than Gemini, which is a Google product. And I used 10 different documents, which I think contribute to excellent copywriting. So I built a tool that you can put your text into, and it will immediately identify any, like it'll kick the robot right out of it. That's basically what my goal was, and I think I've done it. So if you have used ChatGPT, or you have overseas people who use ChatGPT to write your stuff or something else, hopefully you're moving on to like Claude or Gemini, although ChatGPT does a lot of good things well. Other tools do things better now. That's a whole different discussion. Anyway, you need to revisit what you wrote, because if you wrote it 5 months ago, 4 months ago, even 3 months ago, you have to go through and tighten it up. So anyway, it's built on Google guidance. Think of it as a safety check, and you paste in your draft. In 5 seconds, it kicks the robot out and then injects trust signals. So there's a little bit of coaching going on. It's going to ask you for your experience, make you think a little bit. Yes, work is returning to creating content, just a tiny bit though. So I'm giving you this tool because it's useful, and I'm also going to prove a point. I'm going to give this to you. I'm not even asking for your email address, but I want you to think about this. It's useful and valuable, and it gives you immediate results. The point here, the takeaway here is that this is how marketing is going to be. If you are the person who can give your prospects and your clients something that they can take immediate value from, you are going to become important to them. Well, they'll remember you, and they'll probably decide to work with you. They'll see you as more of an expert. So instead of providing a white paper or a PDF or a video series, think about what kinds of tools you can build that will really help your clients. If you do this one thing, and you're using AI, it's gonna set you light years ahead of other people in your space. So I do have a workshop Friday. I'm going to be doing this every Friday where I teach you how to build tools. You will think of using tools in a way that I will not. You know your clients better than I do, but I can show you how to build them. And I think that I think it's super exciting. And I think you're going to think it's exciting too. So I'm going to give you the tool, and there will be a link to join the workshop. And I hope to see you there. Now go fix your copy.